going to show you how you can fix an old cutting board or upgrade a new one on a budget. We are going to start by sanding to remove the nicks and scratches, splinters, and make sure the cutting board is even across the surface. If it's a very old cutting board or one that's been waterlogged, this can also get rid of the rotted wood on the surface. We begin with a low grit sandpaper, which is more coarse, to remove the larger scratches, and then progress with a higher grit sandpaper that's more fine to create a smooth surface. This preserves the cutting board and it looks a lot better. It gives a sheen rather than an ashy appearance. I'm starting with 80 grit and will be going up to 320 grit. You can start lower or go higher depending on the state of your board and how polished you'd like the finish to be. Once you are done sanding, clean your board by wiping away the dust and running a slightly damp sponge or cloth over it. Let it air dry for about an hour. Next, we are going to rehydrate the wood with mineral oil. We are using mineral oil because it's food grade, does not go bad like vegetable oils eventually do, and it is very cost effective and versatile. You can certainly use other food grade oils such as jojoba or tung oil if you happen to have those on hand already. Set it to dry for a few hours or overnight. Finally, we will seal the cutting board with beeswax conditioner. We are using beeswax because it will create a moisture barrier to keep the water out and seal in all the hard work you put into fixing your cutting board. Once you've let the beeswax absorb for about 12 hours, wipe off the excess and it's ready to use.